Hey everybody, today I've got a 2019 Chevrolet. How to reset the oil maintenance light. So right now I already have the car started and running. So what you want to do is we're going to use these buttons right here. So first thing you want to do is whatever screen you're on, most likely you're going to have to move to the left. So click the left button and you'll come up to this screen here that says Info, Audio, Phone, Navigation Options. You want to be on Info. Then you want to push the check mark. Now you're on this screen. Now you're going to scroll up and down, or scroll down, whichever way you want to go. I'm scrolling down until you get on oil life remaining 0%. Then you see how that is lit up right there. So you push over to the right, reset, and you hit the check mark. Are you sure you want to reset? Hit the check mark. You move it over to yes. Hit yes. And there we go. That's how you do it. It is in the information section of the main menu. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video.